Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nkonya aka Ndi Naija. Ja. How is everybody doing? I am still trying to come out of, I don't know if I would call it a funk or whatever, but I haven't been feeling up to a lot of things recently. So hence the hodgepodge almost mess that's right here in front of me. I'm just trying to push through, push through, push through because as an adult, you're not always going to feel like doing the things that you need to do or that you want to do, but you just have to do them. So I'm trying to push through and do the things that I need to. In the past, I think sometime last year, I went through a similar funk and I neglected to set up either my budget or my planner, one of the two. And I found myself, days later, like scrambling, oh, what what is it that I have to do? What is it that I have to pay? What is it? So, in order to prevent myself from going through that again, I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to push through and do it. Done is better than perfect. Which is why basically the budget is done. Yes, the budget is basically done. I wrote out everything that I needed to spend here on this rough draft, which you guys have seen before. Basic thing that I need to do is just rewrite it in here. What has changed though is my I don't know if I want to call this unexpected purchases. Previously, I had called them large purchases, but they're not always large purchases. This is the one for September, and I had a deluxe monthly planner, the watch, leather replacement, another watch, a couch, and a laptop. And I decided to arrange these in order of importance. When you're budgeting and you want to spend money, you have to figure out or prioritize which expense is more important for you. I've decided that the couch is a more important expense. And right now I am wrestling a little bit because I don't want to use my emergency fund for a couch because A, I wouldn't call a couch emergency. Now, granted, my couch is broken. It's it's broken. The springs in it are broken. The kid has done all his jump offs and dives from it, and if you sit in it, it's not good. Plus, I haven't really been sitting on it anyway, but it needs to be replaced. So I am sort of struggling between getting a no interest, pay within how so many ever months, um, with no interest to get a new couch. Part of the reason I'm struggling with it is because doing that would mean getting new debt, and it's not just new debt, it's new debt that I don't consider to be of the greatest importance, like a car. To me, that is, but that's neither here nor there. So there's that, there's a laptop, there's a yellow gold watch, a water softener. This is expensive because this is like 3 grand, and that recently entered my budget. There's one more thing. Ooh, I forgot that I wanted to buy a photo printer, one of these small photo printers. Yeah. So that's also entering the budget, and I should get that around Thanksgiving, depending on the cost. So yeah, that's basically it. Bills all the way down here. Swim class was supposed to be 180. Yeah. Anyway, Taekwondo is 180, and swim class, I think that price just changed. TJ's going for swim class now, so that's a new bill that I just paid in September for October, but I'm also going to pay October, which will be for November. So I'm just putting it in here in the October budget. So that was 120. Okay. So that price went down, which I am happy about. I am very, very happy about. And that's it. Gas, I budgeted 350, groceries and household 750, sinking funds as per usual. Eating out, I've brought that down to $200 because I went way over budget in September, and you will see that in my September budget recap. Health $50, activities $50. I wonder if I should bump up that health budget because TJ will probably need to get a flu shot this month. Yes. Anywho, I'm going to write these down off camera. And the next section is sinking funds. So this is the list of September sinking funds. And I just wanted to talk it through with you guys. Just so sorry about that. I'm not sure exactly where I stopped talking because I didn't know that the phone cut off. Yeah, I didn't know that it cut off. Anyway, I've written all of these things down, and um, let's see, I needed to write the total amounts done, or my purported total amounts, because some of these numbers are inaccurate. Like, you don't know how much in home maintenance you're actually going to need. I'm just writing this as a placeholder until I'm able to build up to the amount that I truly need. So this whole thing is both budgeting, goals, hopes, and dreams. How about that? This is a nice hodgepodge for the month of October, don't you think? Don't you think? Tell me what you think in the comment box below. Tell me what you think in the comment box below. I'm going to have to increase these clothing budgets because these are unrealistic. I believe these are unrealistic, both for me and the kid, because my work shoes alone, 2 pairs every year, are about $100. The kid grows really fast. Like, I just bought like 3 pairs of jeans, none of which fit, weirdly enough. Um, so, and that cost me what, 35 bucks? This is on sale, on serious sale, because I'm not going to buy clothes that are not on sale. Anywho, so that's that. This line item should be uniforms and activities. And right now I have the total at 600. That needs to increase because there was something else that I'm going to need to add. So the strange thing about this month's budget is I'm doing this month's budget with an eye to the year 2020. Maybe it's because I bought my 2020 budget planner. I don't know. That deductibles, I didn't write the amount in last month. I'm not writing it in this month, but this is a goal for next year. Vacation and travel. This is also going to be a placeholder because this is insufficient if I need to take an emergency trip. You would say that's what emergency funds are for. I do agree. I do agree. Birthdays and gifts, I had 240. I'm going to leave it at that. And my tech replacement is, I just don't know whenever I'm going to need to get the phone. But I would probably need to add about 30 to 40 bucks so that I can get to, let's see, how much did I buy my phone? I'm quite sure it was more than $400, 33. But if I budget $400, then then this would be the amount that I would need to put in every month. So we will see. Let's just put $400 as another placeholder. I'm starting where I am with what I have, and that's basically the principle of budgeting. So, thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment box below. I do appreciate you guys for joining me and helping me to push through, because it's weird that this is tough. I love YouTube. I love doing YouTube, but I don't know, just things are just too foggy in my head. So, but at the end of the day, this needs to be done. It is done, and that's it. done is better than perfect, so I'm moving on. Thank you, everyone. If you need some Simply Gilded washi and you need a $5 off $15 coupon, hit the link in the description box below. If you're interested in purchasing an Erin Condren Life Planner, this paper is an uncoiled Erin Condren notebook, which I use in my Erin Condren binder as the budget section of my binder. So if you're interested in getting a $10 off coupon off your first order from Erin Condren, please also hit my link below in the description box. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.